In this video, I'm going to show you how to get massive sales on WhatsApp, so within 24 hours. So if you are into digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or you sell any particular product and you are having challenge of getting sales on your WhatsApp, in this video I'm going to show you how to get massive sale within 24 hours launching that product or that opportunity on your WhatsApp without you running advert or paying for advert. So if this sounds good to you, make sure you follow me on this channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And make sure that you watch this video to the end to get the full details on how you can go through this process. So whatever business you are into, you can follow this step that I'm going to teach in this video to launch that product or to invite people to see whatever you are doing. So this works very well for digital marketer, affiliate marketer, or network marketer, or if you are selling anything, you can use this same process to get massive sales in your WhatsApp within just 24 hours. So join me in this tutorial. So to create your WhatsApp broadcast list, so you open your WhatsApp, then you click on this three dot by your right hand side, then you click on new broadcast. So once it brings you to this interface, the next thing you need to do is you select those contacts that you want to add to the broadcast list. So you can click here to type the names of those contacts that you want to add to the list. So I always advise people to create two lists. So one should be for male and one should be for female, so that you can customize the message that you want to send to them. So you can add as many contacts that you want, but I always advise don't add contact too much, so that WhatsApp will not block your number. So you can add up to 50 to 100, but don't add more than 100. 100 is even much. You can add 60, so you can create as many broadcast lists that you want, so that you don't add many too much contact to one broadcast. That one WhatsApp can block your number, so I don't want your WhatsApp to block your number. So maybe you have select all your contact, then you click on this good sign, then to bring you to this interface. Then you can name it, put the name that you want to use. So to create your name, you click on these three dots to change the name or to customize it. So you click on this three dot, then you click on broadcast info. So you enter you click here to enter the name of the broadcast list that you have created. If you want to delete the broadcast list, you click on the delete broadcast list. If you want to add more people to that broadcast list, you still click on these three dots, then you add more people to the broadcast list. You want to change the name, you click on change broadcast list name. So you type in the name of the broadcast list and click on OK. So you can see the name now, so which means you are done with creating your broadcast list. So the next thing is for you to start sending your broadcast list message. So after you have created your WhatsApp broadcast list, the first thing you need to do is you need to bond with your contact. Now most of those contacts that you add to your WhatsApp contact list, most of them maybe you have not talked to them for some time now, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. So you cannot just start to send them a message for them to respond to whatever you are doing or selling. So the first thing you need to do is for you to bond with them, warm those contacts, so that you can be able to send them those messages, so that you can get good results from whatever you want to say to them. So the first thing you need to do is you can just type if it is the mail list. So let's use the mail list as an example in this training. So you can just say, hi bro, or should I say chairman. So don't just pack all this message and send them once. If you are sending a message like this, the person will not know that you are sending a broadcast list. So make sure you send this message, break them and send this message like this. How was your night? just thought to check on you. Then you send I will be right back. So once you have sent at least this message, you have to wait for some time, because if you just pack out the message and send that one, the person will suspect that you are sending a broadcast list. So once you send at least 3 or 4 messages, so you wait for some time. So you can wait for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So once you have waited for that, then you come back again and send. Now by this time, once you send the message like this, majority of them would have responded to you. Some would have sent you back a message. It is the mail list. You can say, Baba, please, can you help me with this? So you send it and give the message some time. So you can wait for 1 to 2 minutes before you send the second message, after you have sent this first message. Then the second message, you can say, so you can use this formatting to sell any of your products. So you must not use this script that I'm sending now. So you can, whatever you are selling, whether you are into affiliate marketing, digital marketing, you are selling any type of product, so you just follow this pattern of scripts to sell whatever you want to sell on your WhatsApp and broadcast list. So the second message I'm going to send is, I wrote a simple copy to invite some people for a special business meeting with a mentor. I don't know if it's attractive enough. So this is an indirect way of prospecting somebody, or for you to show somebody whatever you are doing, your product. So you can twist this to fit in your whatever you are selling or whatever business you are into. So this is an indirect way. So you are not prospecting the person directly. So you are inviting the person to come and take a look or whatever you are doing. So for the person to give you an opinion if whatever you are doing is attractive enough or not. So after you have sent this second message, you have to wait for like 1 or 2 minutes again. Now sometimes some of them will reply and say that what is that or what is this. So the next thing you need to do is you type the next message. Please, I will be more than grateful to get your honest opinion on this. So you are not prospecting that you want to get their honest opinion. So this work very well for you to get attention of peers to see whatever you are doing. So this work very well, this indirect approach. So the next thing, once you send this, so you send this message and still wait for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then you send the other message. This other message, depend whatever you are doing, you can always change it. So you must not send exactly this script. So you can change it to your product, or if you are into affiliate marketing, you can change it to the type of affiliate marketing you are selling, or if you're a network, you can see you can change it to fit in whatever you are doing. So you must not use exactly this script. So this is just for an educational purpose. So the next thing I will send is, if all you ever invest to make an extra 6 to 7 figure monthly is 30 minutes to learn the secret, will you invest your 30 minutes? So you can change this script and put in whatever you are into or whatever you are selling. Then if the person sends you yes, then I have a good news for you. So the next message you will send is the special case study. So depending, you can change it to your whatever you are into. So let me just use this as for this training purpose. The special case study shows exactly how any Nigerian can earn extra 6 to 7 figure monthly by simply doing some simple tasks. So once you send that, then you send watch this presentation here. It will only take you 30 minutes or 15 minutes, depend on the time that you schedule for that meeting, or for the person to see whatever you are doing. Once you are sending this, you must attach your link to it. So you must attach a link of the presentation to it, or a link of the invitation that you want the person to see to it, or a link of your product explanation to it. Once you have sent the message that carry your invitation link or your webinar link, then you send this other message. So you quote the last message that you just sent that carry your link. So you send the person that, please, what do you think? Do you think it will convert? Now definitely the person is going to check whatever you want to show the person. If it is your products or your affiliate link, the person is going to check to know what is inside that link you sent to that person, or to to look at your opportunity. So with this process, you can easily get client or patronage to buy your products from you. So this is one of the strategies that you can use to get a massive sales in 24 hours after you launch your product. So there are other strategies that also teach on how you can get a massive sales organically on your WhatsApp. So I'm also going to be uploading those other ones. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that when I post those other strategies, you get the notification for you to come and get access to those training. And if you are watching me on my Facebook, make sure you follow me on this Facebook, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and share this video so that others will see this video, and drop a comment in the comment section. I will attend to it.